Aduna kita masayra nimo, grabe kay init sa panahon. Intro na nako ni sa akong video. Bye-bye.
Good day everyone. Today I will talk about climate change being a global issue. Climate change is a long-term warming of the planet caused mainly by increased greenhouse gases in the atmosphere from human activities like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. In this video, I will show you some of the human activities that are destroying our world and affecting climate change. But first, here is a video I found about climate change. So please hear this.
Climate change causes extreme heat, stronger typhoons, floods, and damage to the environment. This problem affects people,
Yung anak ko, napatay lahat na. Tingnan niyo kami dito. Tulungan niyo kami, kuya.
animals, and our daily lives. Because of this, we need climate change mitigation. Climate change mitigation means the actions we do to reduce the causes of climate change. One example is reducing carbon emissions by saving electricity, such as turning off lights and unplugging appliances when not in use. Another example is waste reduction, like recycling and avoiding single-use plastics. Using transportation or walking can also help reduce air pollution. In conclusion, even small actions can make a big difference. If we practice climate change mitigation every day, we can help protect our planet for future generations.
Explain. Climate change is causing a significant widespread disruption to the planet system, with 5 key effects being rising global temperatures, accelerated sea level rise, intensified extreme weather events, severe droughts, and rapid melting of glaciers and polar ice. So what is rising global temperatures? The Earth's average surface temperature has increased significantly, leading to more frequent and intense heat waves, which endanger public health and increase energy demand for cooling. Sea level rise and coastal flooding. As temperature rise, glaciers and ice sheets melt while the ocean water expands. This causes sea level to rise, resulting in increased coastal flooding, erosion, and habitat loss.
Mono siya ang epekto sa climate change, guys. Init ang panahon, kapoy ang lawas.